Hello guys, how to fix delayed screen lock on your iPhone? If your iPhone taking time to lock your screen, then here are the fixes. And the first and initial workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and look for accessibility. Tap on it. Here scroll down and look for side button. Tap on it and make sure that click speed is set as default. If you found set as slow and slowest, then choose default click speed of your iPhone side button. The second one more workaround is tap on settings again and here scroll down and tap on general settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that sufficient storage is available on your iPhone. If any app and data consuming more space, then simply remove it or compress it. Sufficient space may be a cause, insufficient space may be a cause of sometimes delayed screen lock of your iPhone. The next one more workaround is tap on settings again and tap on general settings and here tap on software update and checking for updates. If any iOS update available, then simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated iOS update may be a cause of delayed lock screen. And the last one is hard reset your iPhone. Press volume up button and power button conjointly until Apple logo appear on your screen. This is the process of hard reset of iPhone 15. Different iPhone have different method to hard reset your iPhone. That's all.